In this video, I'm going to share with you how yo-yo dieting leads to gradual weight gain, not significant weight loss, and what you need to do to lose weight and keep it off for good. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'll share with you how to get your hands on the specific blueprint that details how, why, and when to increase your calories after a diet to maintain your weight loss for good. To get even more weight maintenance tips and strategies, the same ones I've used to help hundreds of men and women lose weight and successfully keep it off, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel to tune in for a brand new video every single Tuesday. Yo-yo dieting can be described as a pattern of intentional weight loss immediately followed by a period of unintentional weight gain. But over time, the net change in your weight is always positive. And I know you're wondering, why does this occur and how could it be? Well, because each time you intentionally lose weight, you prime your body for rapid weight regain and make it harder to lose weight during subsequent diets. Stay with me, allow me to further explain. But first, quick question. Have you noticed this trend taking place over the years? That despite intentionally dieting multiple times, the scale, well, it seems to be gradually trending upwards? Comment a capital YES in the comments section immediately below this video. When dieting, your metabolism slows and you experience a significant change in appetite management hormones that leave you feeling hungry around the clock. And these changes occur gradually, often growing progressively more noticeable the longer that you spend dieting. But at the end of a diet, these adaptations are at their strongest, which is why you want to do nothing but stuff your face for the next few weeks. The challenge you'll face, however, is that just like it took months for these adaptations to accumulate during your dieting phase, it will take months, if not a little longer, for them to restore themselves to pre-diet levels. But if you skip the gradual increase in calories, again, similar to how you made a gradual reduction in calories during your diet, and instead replace this gradual increase in calories with multiple binges, well, you're going to experience drastic weight and body fat regain in a short period of time simply because your metabolism has slowed so significantly and isn't equipped to handle the large, overwhelming number of calories that each binge brings. After a few weeks of eating like crap and seeing the scale return to your pre-diet weight, it's common to want to start dieting again. The problem with this approach, however, is that your body hasn't recovered from your previous diet, which, again, may take months to occur. And this results in subpar weight loss, and to be honest, if any weight loss, during your subsequent diet, despite intentionally starving yourself yet again. And as you can imagine, this means a quick return to heightened hunger and crazy cravings around the clock, which ultimately will, and I stress the word will, lead to more binge-like behavior and ultimately regaining the weight that you did lose. And so goes the yo-yo dieting cycle. And over time, it may look something like this. You initially lose 20 pounds, then gain back 22. Next, you lose 10 pounds before throwing in the towel and eventually gaining back 14. Determined yet again, you drop 12 pounds, only to find yourself unable to sustain it and eventually regained 16 pounds. Despite 3 well-intended diets, you may find yourself 10 pounds heavier just a year later. To put a stop to the weight gain, you need to stop dieting. A break from dieting, what I like to call a post-diet weight maintenance phase, gives your metabolism and body time to heal from the many diet-induced adaptations that just took place. Now, simultaneously, it provides you time to begin gradually eating more, which is a recipe for successful weight maintenance when done correctly. And this will leave you within a few pounds of your end of diet weight, eating significantly more, and maybe feeling as if you don't even need to diet again. Now that you understand just how easy it is to continue gaining weight when you try to diet multiple times, one after the next, it's time to learn exactly what calorie changes to make after you finish a diet to successfully maintain your weight loss. And fortunately for you, I filmed a short video that walks you through exactly what calorie changes to make, why, and when. And you can begin watching this video next by clicking the icon in the top corner of your screen or the link immediately below this video. But if you think you'll benefit from a hands-on, minimal thinking approach on your end, then you're going to love the 12-week successful weight maintenance blueprint I created that details everything you need to do and know after finishing a successful diet to maintain your weight loss. In this blueprint, I share with you the how, the when, and the why to increase your calories and arm you with the tools and education you need to overcome the multitude of challenges you're bound to face. And you can get your hands on my permanent weight maintenance blueprint, how to maintain weight loss the first 12 weeks after a diet, by clicking the link directly below this video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give the video a big thumbs up. That way I know to continue making more videos just like this. If you're ready to put a stop to weight gain and finally achieve permanent weight loss, then comment yes, yes, yes in the comments section below this video. And remember to get your hands on my permanent weight maintenance blueprint, how to maintain weight loss the first 12 weeks after your diet, by clicking the link directly below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next video.